What's up, guys? Welcome to Poor Man Mods. Today, there's a ton of noise in the background because my friends are dicks, but we're going to be installing a Walbro 450 fuel pump in my Supra. This won't be a step-by-step on how to do it because if you recall, if you're an OG follower, one of my first videos was installing a fuel pump in the Supra. I did a Walbro 255, so I already have a step-by-step on how to do it. So this will not be a step-by-step, more of just a video of us doing, having fun, hanging out. So if you need a step-by-step, no, I'm not finished, but if they need a step-by-step on how to do it, I will have a link in the description down below for them. And now we can get on with the rest of the video, you fucks.
Hey Freddy, you should start your own video channel.
That's a really good idea. There was a guy, he saw my a guy commented on the video where I talked about being fired from CJ's.
Yeah.
And he said, hey, you should start your own channel.
Did you?
I'm like, dude, you literally just watched a video of me.
On my channel.
But did you?
No, I don't have my own channel. I did have Poor Man Mods, but I got fired for taking an off-road vehicle off-road.
We need to figure something out.
So the first thing you need to do, pretty easy.
Put it up your butt.
That is not easy if you're a virgin.
Good thing you're not a virgin.
Yeah, you just didn't use enough lube.
You're making assumptions.
I prefer no lube.
Yeah, I mean, that's the only way to go.
Yeah,
No lube, full set.
full send. So you got to take off your filler neck bezel. Take the gas cap off, then the filler neck bezel comes off. Then you can put the gas cap back on. Now we need to go under the car and undo the fuel lines and the straps. It's really not that hard, but just dropping the tank isn't fun. You can make an access panel. Some people take angle grinders and cut a hole in the trunk for an access panel. Now I'm Poor Man Mods and I do some pretty jank and sketchy and stupid things, but I'm not doing that. I'm
Not ratchet.
ratchet, jank, fucked up, rigged, hacked. I do some pretty stupid things, but I will not cut a hole in the trunk. Exactly,
That's where you draw the line of all the fucking things you do.
Wait till it rusts.
That's where you draw the
BFH.
line.
Access panel. Done.
Yeah, I don't want to cut a hole.
You want me to do it for you?
Sure.
It's pretty girthy.
And then I have hose pliers.
Not a lot of length though.
I like this. Moser's doing more work to my Supra than he's done to his Ranger in 10 years.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, Ray, I want to hear the story, Moser, of the 306. I've been told it's a good story. When did you procure the 306 for the Ranger?
I bought the truck with it in it.
I thought it had a 305.
No, it had a 306.
Wait, you bought the truck with a 306 and you have the truck still and there's no longer a 306.
Yes.
What's in it now?
302.
Okay, so there's a 302 in it now. Is it 302 or is it bored out?
It's just a stock 302
Okay.
out of an 86 Mustang GT.
Okay.
It had the hydraulic cams in it and was fuel injected. And I ripped all of the fuel injection stuff off.
worse.
What?
He made the truck in
I didn't know that.
Ripped all the fuel
Wait.
injection stuff off and put a 4-barrel carburetor on it.
Wait a minute. Stop. This is a moment that we all need to revel in. I want to hear the start. Like, how did you get the Ranger? Why does it have a smaller motor now? Where did the fuel injection go?
So
Cover the base.
when I was a wee lad, I really wanted a Mustang GT for my first vehicle.
Okay.
And Pops said, son, you can't have a Mustang GT for a first vehicle. You're going to kill yourself and your insurance is going to be high. So we said, fuck, what am I going to do? And then searching on the goddamn Auto Trader book, the one you paid for, not that cheap free shit, the like $1.25 one, I was flipping through there and I saw 92 Ranger, 306. 4-speed automatic, 8.8 rear. It's all goddamn, it's a fucking Mustang. That's a Ranger. So we went and we traded some old piece of shit truck Dad had a couple $100 for a Ranger with a 302 in it. There's a 306, not a 302.
Okay, we're 302 now.
Yeah. But it's a 302 bored 30 over is a 306. So we started driving and it is a good running some bitch till Until it wasn't.
Until you ripped off the fuel injection and...
No, it was carbureted. It was carbureted then. It was
Wait.
carbureted then.
You're losing us here. You said it was fuel injected to start with.
No, I didn't. I said it had a 4-barrel carb.
You said it was fuel injected and you ripped it off to put a 4-barrel carb on it.
We have that on video.
Listen. I started at the very beginning. The friggin' Ranger was the 306, and it was
We did a video account of this.
the Ranger. When I bought it, was a 306 with the 4-barrel carb, and then it spun a main bearing. And I had an '86 Mustang GT, the entire fucking car that had.
Wait. You just got done saying that you wanted a Mustang GT, and that you couldn't have one.
Well-
Where did the Mustang come from?
It was the backyard.
But you had a Mustang.
But I didn't. I didn't have a title for it. It was a title. It was supposed to be a drag car.
Hold on. Hold on.
Shit was hot.
You wanted a Mustang, but you couldn't have a Mustang, but you had a Mustang, so you took a truck with some cash to go get another truck because it had a Mustang driveline, but you already had a Mustang with a Mustang driveline.
Why didn't
Yeah.
you just take the truck you had and put the Mustang driveline in the truck?
Because it was a 3/4 ton truck. It was an F-250. It wasn't a little cool Ranger.
Oh my god, this is fucking Ford Inception.
So then you took the fuel-injected Mustang.
Yes, I took the fuel-injected Mustang and ripped the engine out of it and took all of the stupid fucking all this stupid computerized fuel injection stuff off and slapped a good old carburetor right on top of it and built up fucking washers and welded them together to make engine mounts on both sides and put it back together, and there it is.
So what happened to the 306 that came out of the Ranger?
It's currently at Matt's shop. I think it's holding tires up.
Are there plans to put that motor back? Because that's a better motor then.
Yeah, oh yeah.
So what's waiting on the 306?
I don't know. I'll get it together here real soon.
How long have you been working to get it together?
Yeah, when did you throw this main bearing?
Let's see. I'm 27 now,
Oh, no.
so 11 years ago.
So the 306 has been sitting for 11 years.
11 years, I think. Yeah, it sounds about right.
Oh man, I feel better about all my car ventures ever now.
Ah.
There's
I still have all the fuel injection stuff somewhere.
You should put it on the truck.
I like how he ripped off all that stupid computer stuff and he's having carburetor issues now.
On what, the third carburetor?
Jesus Christ.
Oh, hey.
I love you.
That's the fucking mess.
Brad, can you look at it?
We want a second opinion.
Yeah, I want to
Brad, come here.
How many morons does it take to fucking remove?
Tell him that fucking moron ran the green wire underneath of a metal hardline that's connected with the fucking fuel system. Please tell this motherfucker that I'm looking at that right.
Freddy, you're an idiot.
Well, can you cut the wires in the trunk?
Mike was like, I'm not a fool.
Yeah, it's a long time fuel pump. I never need to change this.
Long time fuel pump with a long time warranty. How long a time? Good long time.
Okay. Yeah, you're about as free as you're gonna get.
Guide the filler.
That's my face.
Okay.
It's clear.
2 gallons?
You get it out?
Yeah, she's out. She's out. Maybe we should torch these bolts. It does some amount of rotation when you hit it.
How much will everyone laugh when the screwdriver goes straight in?
The whole fucking sentence. I think you mean RTV.
Okay, so here is my Walbro 255, which did serve me well. It's not bad, it's just, I'm just upgrading it to the 450. Alright, so I think I caught the Tony bug, and I originally said I wasn't going to do it, but now I'm going to do a little bit of restoration, I guess, to this gas tank. I replaced the bolts that secured the pump with new stainless steel bolts. Looks a lot better, and if I have to do this again, it won't be as difficult to remove the bolts because they won't be rounded like the other ones. And as you can see, it is wet, so I did wash this down with Dawn dish soap, degreaser, and hosed it down, got all the crap off. So now I'm going to take off these rubber pads, and I'm gonna try to, there's more Dawn under there. I'm gonna try to undercoat this to give it a bit more protection, seal it up, and put it back in the car, so maybe it'll last another 30 years or so. Yeah. Alright, this can's about empty. It's looking pretty good. Just in case any of you guys are wondering, this stuff is not Plastidip. I thought maybe it was the same thing, like they just remarketed it. This smells more like a paint. I'm not sure what the actual chemical difference is, but this smells more like a spray paint, whereas Plastidip, you know, has its own unique smell, which I actually really like. I guess this might be more of like the rubber that's in like a truck bed coating, and it's just rubber, nothing else. That's what it kind of smells like. Now this thing is sealed. I had the bottom sealed years ago. I undercoated the shit out of the bottom, but the top, nothing was done to it. So sealed the whole top, but didn't do these covers because I didn't want to mess with the hardware. So I'm gonna let this thing dry, and then we'll put the pads back on. All right, guys, so we got the fuel pump in, and just in case some of you guys want to know what my fuel system is like in this car, I know I've told you guys about it before, but some of you guys might be new. So I do have Injector Dynamics ID 725 injectors, which the fuel pressure I'm at, I believe they're 800cc injectors. Depending on the pressure, that number does change. You can look at their website and see all that data. And they are top feed injectors with a top feed fuel rail. I'm not sure on the brand of the fuel rail. I forget because I had a shop install it for me. Actually, I didn't do it, so I don't know the brand. And it has a Phoenix adjustable fuel pressure regulator, and now it has the Walbro 455 fuel pump, stock fuel lines. I don't believe they need to be upgraded. But yeah, that is my fuel system for this car. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do need a step-by-step on actually how to do this, I will have a link in the description down below for when I did my Walbro 255. And I hope you enjoyed Moser's terrible stories on his terrible cars. They were awful and hilarious at the same time. So, see you guys next time. Peace.